Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will explain that what is the resource controller, why we use resource controller. So if you are not familiar with the controller, you can watch my previous video where I explained that how we can create controller, and also I explained that how we can hit a controller by route. So let's start it. So resource controller is a collection of methods. So this is the example. If you want to create a CRUD operation, you don't need to create a manually function. You need to just create a resource controller. So it's having a pre-built method like index, create, store, and etc. So let's go to the text editor and create a resource controller. So its command is php artisan make controller, and then you need to put flag and type resource. Okay, let's go here and type php artisan make controller, and here you need to specify your controller name. It should be singular, post controller, and then you need to put flag and type resource and hit enter. So it will create a resource controller for us, and yes, controller created successfully. Let's go to the http directory and open this post controller, and yes, there are predefined method like index, create, store, show, edit, and update and destroy. So here these are the method defined for CRUD operation. If you want to create a CRUD of user, where you want to create a user, delete, etc., so you can use this resource controller. And now question arises that how we can use this resource controller with the resource route. So let's go here and implement this resource route. So you don't need to create get route, because now we are going to use a resource. So here there is a helper http method resource. So you need to define that I want to create a resource of post, like post.index, post.create, and etc. And then here you need to define your controller, post controller. You need to define a resource controller. You can't define here simple controller. So you need to remember that you need to pass this resource controller, post controller, and then class. And here you don't need to specify any method name, right? So it will automatically inject this. So this is a post, and we created a post route where we pass our resource controller. So how we can check that which routes are created? So let's go here, and there is a command. Let me make it on the full screen. So php artisan route list. So you can check your all routes, right? Route list, and hit enter. So it will open all the route. It says php array to string conversion. That means that we are doing some mistake in our code. So let me go here, and this is a resource route post, and post controller. Let me go to the controller, and it's good. Oh, error is due to this array symbols. We don't need to mention this in the array, because we are not going to use two parameters. We only use controller, not here any method. So save this one and go to the web browser. Not web browser, we need to go here and check this again by php artisan list. Oops, where is it? So let me clear this for you, and php artisan route list, and yes, now it's successfully working. So this is our api.php route, and these are post. First created this post.index, and then post.store. The name is this. You can view it from the top. So this is a get request, and the url is post/post, and the name is post.index. This is the name of route, and it's hitting this post controller at the rate of index. So this is a store, this is a create and show, and etc. Here you need to pass an id. So let's go here and execute this first get index, and now let's execute this first index method. So we are on the post, and let me open this post controller, and this is the index method. I want to execute this index method. So hello I am index method, right? Need to save this, and let's go to the web browser, and you need to type here post. Why we are entering this post? Because in this let's go here and let me go to the top here. The first method which is hitting to this index controller and index having this post controller having this index method. So let's save this one and refresh it. Oh, I don't need to refresh, I need to hit enter. So post, enter, and yes, now our index method is executing hello I am from the index method. It means that we add this into the URL, and this executed this post controller method index. So there is a predefined routes and with these methods, so you don't need to create manually like post get method, then post store, and etc. This will be created by this resource controller, and this is very useful when you are creating a very huge application, so you don't need to waste your time and creating new routes, like route post slash post route post slash id, and this will you only specify this resource and this will work like a charm. So that's it for this video, and if you are not familiar with my channel, I am creating daily videos on the Laravel, and I am shooting almost daily, so stay connected for more upcoming updates. Thank you.